Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change MPH to KMH in Life360. So to change the speed units from miles per hour, that's MPH, to kilometers per hour, KMH, in the Life360 app, you need to adjust your phone's region settings. Life360 determines the units of measurements based on your device's regional configuration. Specifically, the app uses miles for the United States and United Kingdom regions and kilometers for all other regions. So for iPhone users, just open the settings app on your phone, tap on general, select language and region, tap on region, choose a country that uses the metric system, example, Switzerland, France, or Germany. Confirm your selection and allow the phone to update its settings. Relaunch the Life360 app. It should now display speeds in KMH. For Android users like me, so we're going to head over to open the settings app and scroll down and tap on system, which we have here. Then select languages and inputs. Go ahead and tap on languages. So add a language from a country that uses the metric system, example German for Germany. Tap add a language and you can use German from here, which you're just going to find any of the German languages from here. And let's, for example, just do that. So drag the new language to the top of the list to set it as default. So instead of English, drag the new language that uses the metrics to the top and set it as default. Then restart your device. So once you restart your device, that's all you need. Then open the Life360 app again. It should now display speeds in that's kilometer per hour, that's KMH. So that's pretty much the process. You can now go back to the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. Hoping this tutorial marvelously helped you search.